So you've created a fantastic new product bundle using noryX, but it's not showing up on your website yet. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to take that bundle from the backend and publish it live to your storefront. First, let's quickly verify your data. When noryX generates a bundle, it creates a collection in your Shopify admin. Go to Products, then Collections to confirm your bundle exists. Next, double-check your discounts. noryX automatically associates the discount code with that specific collection. You can click into the discount here if you need to make any last-minute tweaks to the percentage or rules. Now, let's put it on the homepage. Go to Online Store, select Themes, and click the black Customize button to open your theme editor. In the left-hand sidebar, look for your Featured Collection or Collection List section. Click Add Collection, the plus button, to create a new slot for your bundle. Click on that new block you just added. On the menu that pops up, hit Select Collection. Search for the bundle name you verified earlier, for example, the Ice Crusher Tune-Up Kit, and select it from the list. You'll see your bundle image populate instantly in the preview. Feel free to drag and drop the order of the collection if you want it at the top of the page. Once you're happy, hit Save in the top right corner. And that's it. Your bundle is now live, the discount is active, and you're ready to sell.